Is your website keep loading because the mobile hotspot loading speed is quite slow? No worries, in this video I'll show you how to set in the mobile hotspot Wi-Fi 10 times faster with band from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz on your Samsung mobile hotspot. So let's get started. To do that, swipe down the quick settings from the home screen. If you don't see the hotspot option, then extend the quick settings. Now press and hold on the mobile hotspot. Scroll down a little bit. Here, you can see the band option is set for the 2.4 GHz by default. Tap on it, and again tap on band. Now select the 5 GHz. Then tap Save at the bottom right corner. This is the way to set the mobile hotspot Wi-Fi band from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz on your Samsung phone. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!